How to cancel Plex order. Now, if you mistakenly or if you accidentally placed any products to your cart and Plex and you're wanting them to be canceled, you can actually do that without any problems. But however, you're just gonna make sure that you fully understand the returns and refunds policy from Plex. So the very first option or the reason that you have to put in mind is make sure that you will be canceling a specific product that has not yet been dispatched or has not been shipped out. So what you want to do is just head straight to Plex.com's official website and then just simply contact one of their customer support. Now, the reason why you'll have to get straight to their customer support because there is no actual or immediate option of canceling any orders from Plex. So that's basically it. That's how you cancel order from